This morning I'm going to show you how to make a Baby Yoda Christmas ornament. We went and made a 3D cookie cutter. This is using a MakerBot, and no, I don't own a MakerBot. Those are kind of expensive. But you know who does have one? The Magic House. So over at, if you're in St. Louis, Magic House at Made has 3 MakerBots that your kids can use. This costs $5. My kid helped me build it using Tinkercad, which is a program that he first learned how to use at school. Otherwise, if you're making a Baby Yoda Christmas ornament or cookies, you can use pretty much any Yoda cookie cutter that you can find online, as long as it's an outline, because the big difference between Baby Yoda and regular Yoda are wrinkles. All right, we're using Model Magic to make this. I really like this clay because it air dries and it's really mess free. You want to make sure that you don't touch it with your fingernails because you'll leave little marks. I'm using a fingernail file. Like I said, this nail file works great. Okay, now, he's a little lumpy. That's okay. What you want to do next is shape him a little bit. Like I said, if you use ours, I think the ears are a little skinny, but that's pretty easy to fix. All right, you're going to want to make 2 balls that are about the same size. And then you want 1 little green ball. It's fairly small. Get this one as smooth as you can. All right. These might be a little big. Hold on. Nice thing you can... Model Magic is very sticky to itself. It doesn't stick to your hands, but it sticks to itself really good. So once you get these put down, they're not coming off. Now, of course, you can always restart. It's not a big deal. But it's very hard to pull these apart. Okay. Get that in a position, and then push it down. Ooh, this one's gonna have really huge eyes. Okay, maybe that's a little too big. But Baby Yoda does have really big eyes. And get his nose in there. And then I've just been drawing a face in with this. There we go. That's really huge. That might be a little too big. What do you think? Too big? Okay, but to make him a Santa, I'm gonna take some red. Yeah, clean pair of scissors. Cut a triangle. Kind of judge the size. Get it how big you want. Now, if we just stuck it on like that, it would be a gnome hat, and that would look kind of strange. Next, you want some white. Okay, we're gonna make a snake. Okay. You don't have to work real hard, just kind of push it together and it will stick. And then you want to make your little puff ball. Alright, now to make this a Santa hat, I've been folding it over because you know what? Nobody wears a hat. Go straight up. Then you can just push this around, get it however you like, put the puff ball on there. Put it on his head, kind of push it around. Like I said, this is extremely sticky once you get it down. There's a little goober there. Get that off. Alright. Now you want it to stay on the wax paper while it dries, so